Now, Tamiflu is the only drug that can treat swine flu or the H1N1 virus, but a new study shows that there is no data to actually confirm whether it works in patients who've developed severe complications like respiratory infections. So without such evidence, no drug can actually be used for a public health emergency like a global pandemic such as this. Mohua Chaudhary has more.
These yellow pills are believed to be the only cure for H1N1 pandemic flu. Oseltamivir, better known as Tamiflu or Fluvid, if taken within 48 hours, helps to treat the infection in the initial stages. But if the disease advances to the lower respiratory tract, Tamiflu may not work at all. A review published in the British Medical Journal says there is little scientific evidence to show that Tamiflu can treat severe cases of H1N1 flu. Since August 2009, our team has tried to obtain the data needed to verify claims that oseltamivir lowers serious complications of influenza such as pneumonia. We failed, but in failing discovered that the public evidence base for this global public health drug is fragmented, inconsistent and contradictory. We are no longer sure that oseltamivir offers a therapeutic and public health policy advantage over cheap, over-the-counter drugs such as aspirin. The study points out that so far very few safety and efficacy trials of Tamiflu have been done. Without such evidence, it raises questions whether Tamiflu should be used so extensively to manage the pandemic across the world.
The BMJ very recently, a series of articles on the latest trial shows that it really makes not much difference to the outcome.
A Japanese scientist, Keiji Hayashi, first raised the red flag when he said data on Tamiflu's efficacy in severe cases was based on 8 unpublished trials which were unverifiable. None of the data had been peer-reviewed. In fact, most people associated with the trials are linked to the pharmaceutical industry. Despite repeated attempts to get information on Tamiflu from its manufacturer Roche, nothing was made available. Drugs used in a public health emergency like a pandemic must be backed by evidence of the highest quality which is publicly available and open to independent scrutiny. But Tamiflu does not pass this test. In New Delhi, Mohua Chaudhary for NDTV.
Tuba.com